Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Create a Function Chooser tool. This is a list of popular functions used in Sheets. Google allows you to use a single subtotal function instead of entering these functions separately. Using the subtotal function allows you to do more than sum your data. It has 10 other data aggregation choices. If you combine the subtotal function with a drop-down menu, you can let your users choose which aggregation function to apply. To begin, you will need to build a function chooser tool. Create a new Google Sheet and then create two new sheets, one for the information and the other for the list of formulas. On the first tab, create a drop-down list by clicking the cell that you want the list in, and then clicking Insert, and then Drop Down. In Data Validation on the right side of the screen, change the criteria to drop down from Arrange. Then, in the text box, click the Select Data from Arrange icon and highlight the functions from the second tab. Then click OK. Click Done in the Data Validation on the right. On the first tab, under the drop-down box, type in the formula equals subtotal, open parentheses, XLOOKUP, open parentheses, click cell D2, put a comma, go to the second tab and highlight the functions, put a comma, highlight the code, close parentheses, comma. On the first tab, highlight B2 through B11 and close the parentheses and press Enter. Now go through the list of formulas and watch as they are applied. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.